Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 8 of human resource. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the purpose of employees discipline? A. Punish workers. B. Cut wage. C. Correct behavior. D. Reward staff. The answer for this question is C. Correct behavior. Question number 2. Who often perform employees discipline? A. Co-workers. B. Supervisors. C. HR assistant. D. Directors. The answer for this question is C. HR assistants. Question number 3. What is the minor violation? A. Theft. B. Tardiness. C. Sabotage. D. Assault. The answer for this question is B. Tardiness. Question number 4. What is the final step in progressive discipline? A. Warning. B. Suspension. C. Counseling. D. Discharge. The answer for this question is D. Discharge. Question number 5. In the hot stove rule, discipline must be dash. A. Delayed. B. Harsh. C. Immediate. D. Silent. The answer for this question is C. Immediate. Question number 6. A benefit of unions is dash. A. Cost reduction. B. Profit sharing. C. Job security. D. Staff cuts. The answer for this question is C. Job security. Question number 7. Which strike is spontaneous? A. Lockout. B. Wildcat. C. Legal. D. General. The answer for this question is B. Wildcat. Question number 8. A lockout is initiated by dash. A. Union. B. HR. C. Management. D. Court. The answer for this question is C. Management. Question number 9. What is a union steward? A. Staff trainer. B. Manager's assistant. C. Employee advocate. D. HR consultant. The answer for this question is C. Employee advocate. Question number 10. What step follows a verbal warning in progressive discipline? A. Counseling. B. Suspension. C. Written warning. D. Dismissal. The answer for this question is C. Written warning. Question number 11. Which discipline method uses counseling instead of punishment? A. Strict. B. Coercive. C. Positive. D. Harsh. The answer for this question is C. Positive. Question number 12. What triggers a grievance procedure? A. Project delay. B. HR policy. C. Employee disputes. D. New hire. The answer is C. Employees dispute. Question number 13. Which method is not to bind on labor or management? Which method is not bind on labor or management? A. Lockouts. B. Arbitration. C. Mediation. D. Firing. The answer is C. Mediation. Question number 14. What happens if steps 3 in grievance fails? A. Closure. B. Arbitration. C. Writing rules. D. Warning. The answer for this question is B. Arbitration. Question number 15. What may unions negotiate in collective bargaining? A. Tax rates. B. Share prices. C. Work conditions. D. Job locations. The answer for this question is C. Work condition. Question number 16. Which type of grievance relates to contract terms? A. Conflict. B. Violation. C. Interpretation. D. Offense. The answer for this question is C. Interpretation. Question number 17. What is the goal of the grievance procedure? A. Cut costs. B. Prevent hearing. C. Resolve disputes. D. Suspend workers. The answer for this question is C. Resolve disputes. Question number 18. When does decision making leave occur? A. After mediation. B. During strike. C. After final warning. D. Before warning. The answer for this question is C. After final warning. Question number 19. Which party assists both union and management? A. Manager. B. Steward. C. Mediator. D. Auditor. The answer for this question is C. Mediator. Question number 20. Which can gross misconduct lead to immediate discharge? A. After 2 warnings. B. With verbal note. C. Without steps. D. With bonus. The answer for this question is C. Without status. Okay viewers, this is all about question and answer program of chapter 8 of human resource management. Thank you for attending this program.